In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make google.com your homepage on a Safari web browser on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. So first off, if we open up Safari web browser, we can see that normally it starts with that kind of home page where at the top we can find our favorites, and down below it might be located let's say suggested websites or recently visited websites and all that stuff. However, it doesn't start with some website opened up. Now let me show you how we can easily solve that problem. First off, guys, we need to head over to google.com or to any other website we would like to use as our homepage website. And then once we are at google.com, all we have to do is just stop right here at share. And there could be a couple of different options. The first one is add this website as a bookmark. If we tap at add bookmark, it will add that bookmark here to favorites. So after you've opened up Safari web browser, you will be able to tap on it to head over to google.com. That is the first way how we can solve that issue. The second one is when we are at google.com, if we tap at share again, we'll be able to tap right here where it says add to home screen. If we tap right here, we'll be able to name that shortcut. We can left Google or we can enter another name here. And once we tap at add, what that will do, that will add that Safari shortcut on our home screen. And once we tap on it, let me close all tabs and let me close Safari web browser. So once we tap at that shortcut, it will start Safari web browser at google.com. There are a couple of different ways how we can add google.com as our homepage on a Safari web browser. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.